You want to know how to grow your blog, especially like a youngin' like me. Feels like, most of the tips they give is really fluffy or bluff, or they don't really appeal to you. And you probably just want to freak those people in high school who says writers is for chumps, and you just want to prove them wrong. Well, let me tell you right now, there's hope for you. You can make it, and you can grow your blog and make a full-time income and do all the things you want and live the life. Watch from start to finish if you want to know more. Hello everyone, my name is Lucci. If you are new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome for coming back. I don't know what that was. Okay, I'm gonna be straight up honest with you. I don't have these crazy success stories that I made 10K blogging or I have millions of clients or all of this happened because I just started. I'm only 16, I just started this content creation. But all I can really tell you is I've written for years and years and years, and it's been my song, my heartbeat, my life, and I sculpted that for years before I could even peep a word from my mouth. I'm not gonna put myself on this pedestal like all these other blogger YouTubers do, saying I made this much, I go to Portugal, I'm doing all this, living the life. We're in this journey together, okay? But I'm here to tell you the cold hard truth and nothing but the truth, because I legitimately want you guys to make it out here. I want you guys to live the life and to inspire and to impact people through your writing and through your blog and through your message. As long as I knew how to pick up a pencil, I wrote every freaking day, and I was scared to share it, but I'm ready to share now. Okay, enough about that. Let's get into it. There are 3 things to make a successful blog. The first part is the content, the distribution / marketing, and then, the monetization, the sales, making moolah. First one is the content. Don't even think about distribution or sales, because if your content is crappy, you're only going to expose that crap even further.
This is not very nice.
Do not write content that people aren't searching for. You need to know your niche and your industry. Know what people are searching for. 2 really good SEO tools are Google Trends and Answer the Public. You look up like a key term within your niche and it'll tell you kind of like the trends and tell you the rise and fall. If you're caught between 2 ideas, I probably shouldn't even be saying this. This is like business level stuff. But like, if you're caught between 2 ideas, type it into Google Trends and look at which one's more highly searchable, so you don't even have to even play a freaking guessing game of what you should be writing about. Please make sure it's something you're passionate about, because that's what's going to prevent you from quitting so dang early. If you're doing something that's profitable or doing something everyone else is doing, you're going to quit in like 2 weeks. The way to get unlimited ideas, there's 2 things. Macro. Macro is your niche. For example, like we said, health. And then your micro, which is all of the subcategories that fall under that niche. Write as many topics as you possibly can, up to like 100, because you need enough to supply you so that you don't run dry. Speaking of niche, we need to clarify. A lot of these YouTubers are saying have a niche, make sure it's like about a topic. No, a topic is not a niche. A niche is something where you're targeting an audience. Don't think of it like, oh God, I'm losing people, because if you try to write for everyone, you're writing for no one. So instead of saying I am a health blogger, say I am a health blogger that's attacking the area of high schoolers who have depression, who have suffered from self-harm and drug abuse and all of that, so that you really hit home. If you have a specific writing voice, please stick to it. Please don't copy other writers. If your writing voice is really relatable, cursing, do it. If your writing voice is very preachy, do it. Stick to your voice. And what's gonna happen when, you're probably gonna get questions like people are copying my niche, people are copying my ideas, copying my writing, copying my pictures. What do I do? You have to be relatable. At the end of the day, it comes down to how can you relate to someone. You have to talk about your past, talk about your narrative, and be authentic. You have to talk about what you've been through so that you relate to people and change their struggles for the better. It's not about the tips and tricks anymore. It's how you can relate. Someone can easily just find something from Google and YouTube and spit it out in a blog post. So no one can steal what you've been through. That's how you stand out of millions of bloggers in this whole industry, is what you've been through and sharing your past with people. The only thing holding you back is your fear of not being perfect. Let go of that ego. Your content is rock solid. Good. Next is distribution and marketing. Let's clarify. Marketing is not selling. Marketing is developing interest in the consumer. Selling is like, give me my money. Because your content can be great. Like, honestly, it really can. You have your SEO, you have everything right. It's perfect. you have to find a way for people to get there. So you have to be on every platform. I know it's stressful, but you have to be on podcasts. You could develop an audio blog. Think about it. People on the go, they can listen to your blog like an audiobook, but an audio blog. You could do videos, YouTube, behind the scenes of how you do your writings and kind of teaching people about your niche. And then, social media. Instagram can be a mini blog kind of thing, full of blog posts, and then the Twitter could be updates of what's going on. It's not over yet. When I mean distribution, I mean it. Don't just use one blogging platform. I'm begging you. If that platform dies, all your work is over, okay? Have one hosting site, a WordPress blog, and that's your hosting site, but be sure to be on other places. Be everywhere. Be on Ghost, Blogger, Medium, be everywhere so that people's eyes are always getting something from you. And of course, don't do copies and pastes of other stuff, please. Make each thing a little different. Remember when Vine died? Yeah, the people who had Vine, they had a YouTube, and that's what saved them. So please, I'm begging you, be on every platform, okay?
Okay.
And I know it takes like mother freaking time. Please don't put pressure on yourself. Please do what makes you comfortable. If you want to take it to the next level, you can even do live streaming on Twitch. If people don't get that face-to-face connection and with you, you can lose trust. I did hear about, the value of Pinterest, how it can skyrocket blogs. I don't know everything. I'm still learning. I've never been on Pinterest. Like I said, I don't know everything, but it can't hurt. Maybe Pinterest could possibly benefit. That's good. Okay, the thing you've finally been waiting for, monetization for your blog. Let's just clarify, if you actually want to truly make money, you actually have to give a freak about your audience. You have to care about their problems and care about what they're going through so you can write for them and freaking help them. Because this is a business. A business is not about making money. It's about helping people and solving their problems while making an income. It's never about you. People in this generation don't give a freak. They don't care. You have to make people care first. And if they start caring, you develop true fans. And like I said, in all my content lately, true fans pay your bills. How do you develop true fans? Keep blogging. You're gonna have to switch between content and distribution a lot before you develop those true fans. And you're gonna have to keep giving and give every day. Every day you have to give. All you need is really 100 true fans, 1,000 true fans. True fans are the people that cut your arm off to see you. They know everything about you. It's not the people who love you, because everyone loves you, okay? Stop trying to be a sellout. Actually give a freak. You're gonna get that traction, and that traction is gonna get you paid. There's two ways of monetization: scalable and non-scalable. Let me explain. Non-scalable, this is one-on-one crap. You do this one-on-one, meaning it takes a lot of energy, it takes a lot of your time, which means you have to charge more. This is something that I invented, but you could have your readers send, you can develop a cold email list, which is basically a set of emails of all of your clients, and then they can send you a a full script of what I want in my writing, and want you to write this for me, answering all these specific questions, and they pay you. And this is actually a really good one because it's one-on-one, and this is basically one-on-one coaching but writing. Next one is scalable. Scalable means it can reach thousands of people, but you generally want to price this lower since a lot of people get it, so it allows you to sleep, so you don't have to constantly do the one-on-one. You could do an ebook, you can do affiliate links in your blog, you could do even courses, all of that. Like I said, within the first few months, don't be afraid to do free crap. Develop interest in the consumer. Show them that you care about their success, you care about their goals. Send them a free ebook, send them a free course. Even a free private writing. That's the name of it. Private writing. Be afraid to piss people off when you write. Appeal to that audience. You can't appeal to everyone. And also, retainment over growth and reach. Retainment is gonna really, really help you survive, because you're gonna get those true fans. No matter how many people you lose in this industry, you're gonna retain those people who loved you since the beginning. So keep those people that supported you since day one, because they're gonna keep paying your goddamn bills. Like I said, it's hard. It's hard not to see results. It's hard not to see that growth. But if you stick with it, you be yourself, you be your authentic self, and you just show that you're here to give without any expectation of return, people reciprocate. Lucci, a real type of love, the only person that's really gonna implement and take this to the next level is yourself. You are the person that can hold you back from anything or fuel your goals. I'm not perfect, I'm still learning, but everything's here is free, and it's like the best. Everything's free to take notes and give value and just educate. I have the podcast, I have the YouTube, I have the social media. Everything here is free to use. All I really ask, you always get those people who say subscribe or like the video. Really share this to a friend that is looking into blogging. Your mom, your dog, your stuffed bear, anyone who really needs help. Send it to them, share it to them so that they can get the help they need, so that they can go out there and crush it. I'll see you in the next one. Drink well, eat well, and sleep well. See you later. No community name yet.
Okay.